friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make origami spectacle holders. So today you are going to see how the spectacles can be kept on the origami page. So I'm going to make a spectacle holder. You can see the photo of it, how it looks. So please be with me and also like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment below that how was the video. So let's get started. Take a square page, pop it in a triangular shape, and then open it and make an airplane-like structure. You can see how does it looks like this and like this. You can see how that it looks. Do it perfectly, otherwise it will not look good. Now fold it inside like this. Do the proper edges like this. Take it out and beat it as it is. Now what you have to do is you have to fold this part till here. I will show you, and this till line like this. Now open it and again take this part like this, and this head here like this. Open it and then move it aside and fold it to here like this. Open it and turn around and then wait a moment. Now take this part here like this. Fold it till here, you can see, and now again fold it like this in a proper manner like this. And then open it and we'll have a cone like structure, you can see. And now turn it around and fold it upside like this. And now you have to push this part. First do it like this, you can see, and now push it like this. You will have it like a cone shape structure. And now what you have to do is first you have to fold it like this and join them and bend this downwards. It will form square like structure like this. Fold from here. And now you have to turn it inside, I'll show you, like this, and fold it aside back like a perfect squaring. Fold it like a cone. And your glasses are ready. Glasses holder is ready. And see how perfect it looks. Now I will show you how to keep it. Friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this, and please like, share and subscribe. Also comment below that how was the video. Bye.